Hello, Miss Golden Girl back again on Monday. Busy Monday, Monday before Thanksgiving, November the 25th, 2024. And I'm getting ready to make the sweet potato pie. I've baked the potatoes and they're all ready for me to peel. I don't have a mixing bowl, so I'm going to use this pot. All right, then, I will be back. Okay, I'm unwrapping the sweet potatoes. I like to wrap my sweet potatoes in oil. I rub them down with some oil. And look at that. That's nice and tender. I baked 3 potatoes. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And see, that's why I like baking it instead of, boiling them. That water didn't seep into the potato. It's my third one. Nice and tender. I can push it. Soft. Now, since they're not hot, I'll have to melt my butter. If you did your potatoes right after taking them out of the oven, they'd be hot and that would melt the butter. But I baked these, pulled them out, and then I went and took a nap. I'm trying to stay on my sleep schedule because I go to work Wednesday night. And so normally I sleep between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Although I was a little after 10 a.m. laying down. But so that is, and now I'm up until 6 p.m. But I will probably maybe be up a little later because I'm going to mix up this pie and put it in the oven, my air fryer, and bake it up. So I'll be back to show you how everything looks once I put it in the pie shell before putting it in the air fryer to bake. Stay tuned. Busy Monday. Now let me ask you this, because I'm not having all of the traditional items, side items for Thanksgiving. Well, I don't know. They're supposed to have a Thanksgiving meal in the restaurant here at the hotel, but we're not allowed to go in and sit down and eat. So I don't know if I can get a to-go meal or not. If I can't, it's okay. I'm not sure what they're going to do in employee dining. I really don't eat there because they're closed. And so what they do, they have someone go down and get our meal before they close and put it in the cooler. But I don't like eating that late. Let's just put it like that. But I really don't like somebody else getting my food. So I just don't eat it. And so they may do a Thanksgiving meal for the employees. All right then. But I'm happy. I'm content. So like I told you, I did an early Thanksgiving meal with chicken and dressing, and I had cranberry sauce and macaroni and cheese. So now, this week, I'm preparing me some ribs, potato salad, baked sweet potato pie, and baked pecan pie. So now, what is your favorite item that if you could only have one item on Thanksgiving what would it be for you? I like sweet potato pie. I haven't had sweet potato pie in a while. So I like pecan pie too. So I'm sharing it. I'm sharing it. I'm not going to eat all those pies by myself. All right. Stay tuned. Bye. I just wanted to show you these sweet potatoes. They look good. You know, so many times you have to be careful of your sweet potatoes when you're selecting them to make sure that they're orange. You know, sometimes they can be real pale. I do not like a pale looking sweet potato pie. These are good. And I like to get just small sweet potatoes. I don't like real big ones because they're not as sweet. All right. I'm going to mash these up. I'm going to mix them up the old-fashioned way because I don't have a mixer, a hand mixer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to beat my eggs separately so that make sure that they're well mixed up. And I may eventually get a hand mixer. We'll see. I guess if I ever did a cake, I would need a hand mixer. I don't know. Some cakes you can stir without having a hand mixer. The pie, the sweet potato pie is ready to go into the oven.